All you need to know for you to name the spaces and the lines of any stave, whether you're in G clef, F clef, C clef, you just need to know the word face, and every good boy does fine. Once you know those, you are good to go for the ledger lines and for the spaces and the lines. Number one, know the clef that you're working with. If you're working with G clef, the concentration is over here. The G itself is where there is a lot of lines. If you're working with F clef, then you know that the F line is where there's this concentration. If you're working with C clef, then you know where there are those corners, that's where your C is. So if you're here at G, then you know you are at good, because this is the only G that is here. So meaning in the lines now, in the lines you're going to go good boy does fine. So good boy does fine, right? Once you have gotten to fine, now you come to face. F, A, C, A. For face, you're starting with the good boy, so meaning the line that is below G will be E. And once you have this E, then you know that you're supposed to have face. So here you are going to have C, A, and F. Once you have your F, then you know the spaces will be every good boy does fine. And once you have the F, then you know you're writing face. F, A, C, E. Once you have your E, then you know your spaces will be every good boy does fine. Same thing happens here. Once you have your F, then you know that the lines are F, A, C, E. And continuing every good that way. So here, if I have my F again, the spaces now will be every good boy does fine. If I have my E, then it means that I am supposed to put the spaces as face. So I am over here. So it will be C, A, F. If I have my F there, then I come to the lines. It will be every good boy does fine. I have named all the others. If I have my E here, then I'm at face. Then it means that this will be C, A, and F. Then my spaces will be every good boy does fine. And that happens in every clef.